Hi beautiful people, and you're welcome to another amazing video. So from the title, you want to get all these beautiful non-copyrighted sounds for your vlogs, like sounds like this. Yes, you want to make your vlogs engaging, your vlogs interesting through your music. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get non-copyrighted sounds, non-copyrighted music here on YouTube. How you can even check it out, probably whether the sounds are the sound has a copyright claim or not. Now I'm going to be showing you the difference between a copyrighted sound and a non-copyrighted sound, and if that seems like what you want, if that seems like what you need to make your vlogs engaging by using the sounds, then make sure you stick around and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you also comment, make sure you also like and share to your friends and
This channel is Kiara Simone, and she drops amazing videos, non copyrighted sounds. Make sure you check each sound before you use the sound so as to avoid copyright claims on your videos. So guys, you can see she has different types. She has R&B, she has Christian, different playlists. Just make sure that you check very well so that you will not get copyrighted claims on your videos, so that you can also monetize your videos in the end. So this video has a copyright claim, so any video that you see that has this music part underneath it has a copyrighted claim. So I hope you guys can understand. So enjoy the video, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you. The next one is the Tipsy Turtle. So the Tipsy Turtle, they've been there for like years. They have different videos, different sounds, anyone that suits your mood. Just make sure you check everything out, and make sure that you also check for copyrighted claims so that your videos will not get flagged, so that at the end of everything you can also make some coins on your videos when you get monetized. Okay guys, enjoy the video.
Everywhere that I go, everywhere that I be, if you are not surrounding. I really need somebody. I really need somebody. I really need somebody. Still